Hello from North Tyrone. Today I've got a Makita 458, DHP458. This is the heavy duty 2-speed old brushed model of the LXT range. 2016 model, if you can see that. I'm going to show you how to put a set of brushes in this. If something goes wrong with one of these, she's not going properly, first thing you do is put a set of brushes in her, or check the brushes to see if she needs a set of brushes, should I say. You got those two screws in the back, as you can see I'm doing now. You pull off this lid, that reveals the brushes. And to get the old brushes, I'll hold that closer. There's a spring that's pushing down the brushes. You push that off to the side, like that, and then you push that up. That pulls straight out. You see that brush is worn a little bit. And I'll show you how to put in the new one. I have here a new set. That's the number, CB440, or that number there. See if it focuses. If you can see that number at the top. Anyway, two brushes in the box. You can see the old one compared to the new one. It's quite a bit of difference. So, like this again. You slide that in. That. You put that on there like that. Okay. And you remember this wee wire clip. It's actually went into place itself there. See the wee wire clip pushing that down? See? Pushing that down like that. And you repeat the process on the other side. It's just the same thing. Lift the wee spring up. Okay? Spread that way out. Okay? You see the wires there? You pull up the wire, that's it out. And new brush again. Slide that in like that. We push down the spring into place. And that just clips over into place there. Okay. And you put the lid back on. Plastic lid goes back on like that. And you put in the two screws again. Tighten up the screws. Put the bath in. And she's going well now. So that is how you replace the brushes in DHP458 Makita drop.